Starting with Pinterest. Pinterest is a place where you can pin items of interest. It also has a lot of uses for marketing, especially when you use a lot of visual images to sell your products. For example, if you sell products such as dresses, clothes, shoes, art, etc., Pinterest is very easy to use to start to attract social media attention. Getting started with Pinterest. First of all, you can see here we have Join Pinterest. You have a couple of ways to sign up. First of all, you can link to your Facebook account if you have one already, or your Twitter account, or you can sign up with your email address. Fill in your details. Come up with your username. Choose a gender, choose your country, and create account. Now, that is the first step in creating your account. Once you've done that, you need to check your email and verify.